three vessel trachea view, otherwise 3VT view in fetal echocardiography. Now, fetal echocardiography, the diagnosis, the first step can be a lead point feature is one of the 4 sections routinely taken for fetal echo. So we will see the lead point feature in 3 vessel trachea view, and once you see a lead point feature, then take corroboration in other sections of fetal echo, and if necessary do biometry and color Doppler, spectral Doppler if necessary, and a mode in certain situations. With all this, you arrive at a simple anomaly. Anomaly, if it is not simple, it can be complex. So in that case, we have to do a sequential segmental analysis. Now the lead point feature on 3VT, the various appearances are depicted as schematics here, and there can be 34 different anomalies which present as a lead point feature on 3 vessel trachea view. If you would like to go through the lecture, please log on to sonoshare.in and see for the lecture under fetal echo. Thank you for your patience.